each defendant always has the opportunity to take their matter to trial. Now, in district court in the state of North Carolina, that trial would be a bench trial, and the judge would make that determination of guilt or innocence. If that matter is lost, that person can appeal it to Superior Court and get their constitutional right to a jury trial. But in making those decisions, whether you want to have a jury trial or not, or having a trial in general or not, you have to weigh the pros and cons. And that's where you need an attorney that you can trust is giving you the proper guidance. What I do when I handle any case is I prepare as if the case is going to trial. I look at the facts and the evidence, and I start preparing, here's the strengths, here's the weaknesses of this case for trial. Because what it allows me to do is more effectively advocate for my clients and talk to the district attorney or the U.S. attorney and talk to them about the case, and it gives me more confidence in what I can push for based off the evidence. And I'm more confident that I don't need to push my client towards anything. And I'm never going to be that attorney who's going to push someone into taking something they don't want to do. I will take any matter to trial if that's what my client wants me to do. Now, I will personally sit down and talk with them and say, here's the risk. It doesn't make sense to take that kind of risk, but it's always my client's decision. And sometimes it makes no sense to take a plea because the risk-reward factor is ultimately what you're deciding. And many times my clients, or most of the time my clients will ask me, hey, what is your opinion? What would you do? And I would be more than happy to help you in that guidance process, and that's my job, is to help you with that process, not just be prepared to beat your case at trial, but to make sure that you make the right decision on whether going to trial. And that's important. And I'll let you know, hey, this is what I'll do. This is what I would do if I were in your situation. And sometimes it's very difficult decisions. Sometimes it's very difficult decisions. But sometimes there's no-brainers. The risk-reward is just too high, or it flips the other side. There's really no reason why you shouldn't take the case to